Hello guys and dear followers. Today I have published a new video for you. Those who are interested to practice narration speech, the changing method of direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. I hope that my video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. I have published many videos relating to rules of changing narration, direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech and into indirect speech into direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. You can visit my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel, online digital classroom, especially English grammar relating to narration changing method. Let us discuss below. Direct speech. The principal said to the students, all that glitters is not gold. The principal said to the students, all that glitters is not gold. The principal told the students that all that glitters is not gold. Here, the reported speech will not be changed because it is proverbs. If it is proverbs, historical truth or universal truth, the reported speech will not be changed. Only the conjunction will be added here. And said to may be told, changed into told, if there is object. So the principal told the students that all that glitters is not gold. Number 2, direct speech. The chief of the army said to the soldiers, never come back now. It is ordered because the chief of the army always orders there below and followers, the soldiers. So there will be commanded or ordered. Reporting verb said to will be changed into ordered or commanded. The chief of the army ordered or commanded the soldiers never to come back then. Never come back now. Never, if there is never or do not, there the conjunction will be not to or never to. Never or not will be before at the time of placing to as conjunction. So what will be? The chief of the army ordered or commanded the soldiers never to come back then. Now will be then, because we know that the nearest word will be the farthest word. Number 3, direct speech. The coach said to the players, let me say. Note it, let, there is let, important word. If let refers to request, there will be, might be allowed to, and if let refers to proposal, it will be should. So what will be? Let, if the let refers to request, let will be changed into might be allowed to, and if let refers to proposal, it will be changed into should. But here is a special factor. The coach said to the players, let me say. Coach, the senior, he or she cannot request. So let refers the simple tell or simple words saying. So let will not be changed. It is only imperative sentence. So we can use the coach told the players to let him say. Okay. Next, 4, direct speech. Woman said to her, did you finish the work last night? Interrogative sentence. We must know if there is interrogative sentence. Reporting verb said will be changed into asked, and there will be conjunction if or whether. If there is no WH, who is, whom, where, how, when, while, why. If there is WH, the WH will be the relative, interrogative pronoun will be the relative pronoun, so WH will not be changed, but there is no WH, so there will be conjunction if or whether. We first person will be changed according to the object of, according to the subject of reporting verb women. So there will be they within bracket women. Did past tense, we know that if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be the correspondent past tense. There will be had finished the work the previous night. Last night will be changed into previous night. We know that last night, previous night, yesterday the previous day, tomorrow the next day, now, then, here, there, come hither, go there, come here, go there, this, that, this, those. So last night will be changed into the previous night. Okay. Past indefinite tense will be the correspondent past tense, past perfect tense. So there will be had plus past participle of main verb. So again, woman said to her, did we finish the work last night? Woman asked her if or whether they had finished the work the previous night. Okay. Next, 5. Direct speech. They said, let us instruct the COVID-19 affected people this year. They said, let us here, let proposal. Okay. Let here, proposal. If let refers to proposal, there will be proposed instead of say, said or say. They said, there will be they proposed. That conjunction, inverted comma would be omitted and let will be the should. As first person, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb they. So there will be they nominative case. We must know that after let there is objective case, but it is functioning as subject. So there will be they nominative case. Instead of us as first person, it is changed according to the subject of reporting verbs they. So instruct the COVID. So they should. Let will be changed into should because let refers to proposal. They propose that they should instruct the COVID-19 affected people that year. This year will be that year that I have already discussed before. This year will be that year. Today will be that day. This will be that etc. So dear friends and followers, you all are requested to follow my channel and please subscribe my channel, share my video and press the bell icon so that the next video you can easily watch. If you follow my videos which I have published through my K Mondal YouTube channel along with Facebook, I hope that most of the weak students will be efficient in English, needs no telling. I wish you every success in life. No more today. Thank you all.